Hey, 10 Things channel again here. Are you ready to rock adulthood like the rock star I know you are? We're diving deep into the 10 essential skills that'll help you crush it in life, from your dream career to amazing relationships and everything in between. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed because we're about to unlock your full potential together. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. Number 1. Financial literacy. All right, let's talk about money, honey. It's not just about having it, but mastering it. Imagine being able to make informed decisions that lead to financial freedom and security. Sounds good, right? Financial literacy is not just about being good at math, it's about understanding the principles that govern money. It's about knowing how to make your money work for you, rather than the other way around. First up, budgeting. This is the cornerstone of financial management. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your spending and find yourself in a financial mess. I know. It sounds about as fun as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's the foundation of financial freedom. A well-planned budget can help you save for the future, pay off debt, and even splurge on things you love without guilt. Think of your budget like a roadmap to your dream life. It guides you, showing you where to allocate your resources to achieve your goals. You gotta track where your money is going, and I mean every penny. This way, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. The method doesn't matter as much as the consistency. The key is to be consistent. Regularly updating your budget helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid any unpleasant surprises. Next up, saving and investing. These are crucial for building wealth over time. It's not just about putting money aside, but making it grow. Remember that latte you buy every day? It might seem like a small expense, but those dollars add up. Imagine if you invested that money instead. That could be growing in the stock market instead. Even small investments can grow significantly over time. Start small. Even $5 a week adds up over time thanks to the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more you benefit. And speaking of magic, let's talk about credit cards. They can be amazing tools for building credit and earning rewards, but only if you use them responsibly. Pay your balance in full and on time every month to avoid those nasty interest charges. This helps you build a good credit score, which is essential for your financial health. Building a good credit score is like building a golden ticket to better loan rates, apartment rentals, and even some jobs. It's a key part of your financial toolkit. Remember, financial literacy is about taking control of your money so it doesn't control you. With the right knowledge and tools, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Number 2. Emotional intelligence, EQ. Okay, let's get real for a second. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and sometimes it feels like we're just trying to keep our heads above water. Life can throw some curveballs, am I right? Whether it's a tough day at work, a disagreement with a friend, or just feeling overwhelmed by everything on your plate, it can be challenging to stay balanced. That's where emotional intelligence comes in. Think of it as your secret weapon, a superpower that helps you navigate the ups and downs with grace and resilience. First and foremost, self-awareness. It's about understanding your own emotions, recognizing what makes you tick, and identifying what stresses you out. This self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. Understanding your own emotions is key. What makes you tick? What stresses you out? Once you have a clear picture of your emotional landscape, you can start managing those emotions like a pro. Next up, empathy. This is about putting yourself in someone else's shoes, trying to see the world from their perspective, even if you don't agree with them. Empathy is the foundation of strong relationships, both personally and professionally. Put yourself in someone else's shoes. Try to see the world from their perspective, even if you don't agree with them. This ability to understand and share the feelings of another person is crucial for building meaningful connections. Empathy is the foundation of strong relationships, both personally and professionally. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level and fosters mutual respect and understanding. And speaking of relationships, let's talk about conflict resolution. Disagreements are a normal part of life, but it's how you handle them that makes all the difference. Conflict resolution is about listening actively, communicating clearly, and always striving for a win-win solution. It's not about winning an argument, but about finding common ground and resolving issues in a way that respects everyone's needs. This approach not only resolves conflicts, but also strengthens your relationships and builds trust. Remember, emotional intelligence is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous growth and learning. The more you practice, the better you become at managing your emotions and understanding others. Keep practicing, keep learning, and watch your relationships flourish. With emotional intelligence, you can navigate life's challenges with confidence and build stronger, more meaningful connections with those around you. Number 3. Basic cooking and nutrition. Calling all foodies and health nuts, this one's for you. Learning to cook is like unlocking a superpower that saves you money, improves your health, and impresses your friends. Plus, it's way more fun than ordering takeout every night. Start with the basics. Mastering 5 simple, healthy meals is all you need to get started. Think stir-fries, pasta dishes, omelets, soups, and salads. Once you've got those down, you can start experimenting with different flavors and cuisines. And speaking of experimenting, let's talk about meal prep. It's a game changer for busy bees who want to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen every day. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping your meals for the week, and you'll thank yourself later. Trust me, there's nothing better than coming home from a long day and having a delicious, nutritious meal ready to go. Number 4. Communication skills. In a world that's constantly communicating, it's more important than ever to stand out from the crowd. With so many voices competing for attention, how do you ensure yours is heard? It's all about mastering the art of communication. And how do you do that? By mastering the art of communication, baby. First up, public speaking. It's a powerful tool that can open doors and create opportunities. I know, it can be scary as heck, but it's also an incredible skill to have. Join Toastmasters, a club dedicated to helping people improve their public speaking skills. It's a supportive environment where you can practice and get constructive feedback. Practice in front of a mirror, where you can see your expressions and gestures. This helps you become more aware of your body language and how it complements your words. Or even just record yourself speaking. Watching the playback can be eye-opening, revealing areas for improvement you might not have noticed otherwise. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Repetition builds confidence and helps you refine your message. Next, let's talk about writing. It's not just about putting words on paper. It's about conveying your thoughts clearly and effectively. Whether it's a professional email, a cover letter, or even just a text message, your writing represents you. Or even just a text message, make sure your message is clear and to the point. Clear and concise writing is key. Use proper grammar, as it reflects your attention to detail and professionalism. Spell check like your life depends on it, because nothing undermines your credibility faster than a typo. And always proofread before hitting send. A second look can catch mistakes you missed the first time around. And last but not least, active listening. Put those phones away, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in the conversation. And really focus on what the other person is saying. This not only shows respect, but also helps you understand their perspective better. You'll be amazed at how much more you learn and how much stronger your relationships become. Effective communication is a skill that can transform your personal and professional life. Number 5. Time management. Time is our most valuable resource, yet it's the one thing we can't make more of. That's why mastering time management is essential for living a productive, fulfilling life. First up, the Eisenhower Matrix. This simple tool helps you prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on the important but not urgent tasks, and you'll be amazed at how much more you accomplish. Next, the Pomodoro Technique. This time management method is all about breaking down work into manageable chunks with short breaks in between. It's a great way to stay focused and avoid procrastination. And speaking of procrastination, let's be real for a second. We all do it sometimes. The key is to recognize when you're doing it and find strategies to overcome it. Set deadlines, break down large tasks into smaller ones, and reward yourself for staying on track. Number 6. Critical thinking and problem solving. In a world that's constantly changing, critical thinking and problem solving skills are more important than ever. It's about thinking for yourself, questioning assumptions, and finding creative solutions to complex problems. Start by asking why. Don't just accept things at face value. Dig deeper, challenge the status quo, and form your own opinions. Next, analyze logically. Break down problems into smaller, more manageable parts. Identify the root cause of the issue and brainstorm potential solutions. And don't be afraid to think outside the box. Some of the best solutions come from unexpected places. Remember, critical thinking and problem solving are skills that can be learned and developed over time. So challenge yourself, embrace new perspectives, and watch your problem-solving abilities soar. Number 7. Digital literacy. In today's digital age, it's not enough to just know how to use a smartphone. You need to be digitally literate, which means understanding how technology works and how to use it effectively and responsibly. First up, coding. Don't worry, you don't need to become a software engineer overnight, but learning the basics of coding, even just HTML or Python, can open up a world of opportunities. Next, AI tools. From ChatGPT to Canva, there are countless AI-powered tools that can make your life easier and more productive. Learn how to use them to your advantage. And speaking of advantage, let's talk about online security. Protect yourself from cyber threats by creating strong passwords, being wary of phishing scams, and keeping your software up to date. Number 8. Networking and relationship building. They say it's not what you know, it's who you know. And while that's not entirely true, there's no denying the power of a strong network. Start by building relationships with people in your field. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Next, nurture those relationships. Stay in touch, offer support, and be genuinely interested in what others are doing. And speaking of support, don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Whether you're looking for a mentor, a job lead, or just some advice, your network can be an invaluable resource. Number 9. Adaptability and resilience. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. That's why adaptability and resilience are essential skills for navigating the ups and downs. First and foremost, embrace change. The only constant in life is change, so get comfortable with it. See change as an opportunity for growth, not a threat. Next, develop a growth mindset. Believe that you can learn and grow from any experience, even the tough ones. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is just a stepping stone to success. And speaking of success, it's not a straight line. There will be setbacks, detours, and maybe even a few U-turns along the way. But it's how you handle those challenges that defines you. Number 10. Basic first aid and self-defense. Safety first, always. Knowing basic first aid and self-defense can literally save your life or the life of someone you love. Start by learning CPR and the Heimlich maneuver. These life-saving techniques can make all the difference in an emergency. Next, familiarize yourself with basic wound care. Know how to stop bleeding, clean a wound, and apply a bandage. And speaking of safety, let's talk about self-defense. Take a self-defense class. Learn how to assess your surroundings and trust your instincts. Remember, your safety is your responsibility. Wow, we covered a lot today. Remember, mastering these skills is a journey, not a race. Start with one, master it, then move on to the next. The most important thing is to keep learning, keep growing, and never give up on yourself. You are capable of amazing things, and I'm so excited to see what you achieve. Now I want to hear from you. Which skill are you most excited to develop first? Let me know in the comments below. Mastering these skills ensures independence, career growth, and life balance. Which skill do you want to develop first?